continue to help children and families living with this diagnosis of autism.
I just want to say thank you for coming out. Welcome to Oval Park. I was telling a few of my friends and even these guys, I'm just standing there, I was telling Barry and everybody, I was just like, this feels so good. I grew up in this park, and to be doing stuff like this for the community is so great. And I appreciate you all, man, and we all here for the cause.
Welcome to Oval Park.
When we started Ballin By Nature, it was strictly to give back, and these are the types of events that we wanted to run, we wanted to put on for our community. Right now we're doing basketball that's going to stretch beyond, it's going to get into other sports and different academia. But
so it's just an honor to just be able to collaborate with Ballin By Nature and get this thing going. So I'm excited. My girls are here. You see they showed up. Thank you guys for coming, and thank you guys for inviting us.
We know autism has affected all of us, all around the country, all around the world, in particular in our communities. And in working with Nadine, I understand a lot of national organizations who offer support. They don't necessarily reach the inner city. So that was one of the reasons why we definitely locked in with her.